Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by assembling the essentials, W-2s 1099 and prior form 1040 so numbers match. Once done, sign into your IRS online account or approved e-file provider. Make sure your browser is updated and pop-ups allowed. Next, select Form 1040 and add Schedule 1 as an attachment. This is the first actionable step. Enter each income and adjustment line item roughly as shown on your documents, and save progress, often so you don't lose partial entries. Now you move into the complex middle. Enter additional income lines one by one, like taxable refunds, business or rental income, and 1099 entries. Label each source clearly. Then, input adjustments, educator expenses, HSA contributions, IRA deductions, and student loan interest, explaining your calculation in the notes field when prompted. Use the software's validation tool to flag mismatches if a line totals incorrectly. Backtrack to the source entry and reconcile the difference so the Schedule 1 balances with Form 1040. Finish by reviewing the entire return. Run final validations, confirm Schedule 1 totals match Form 1040, and choose e-file or print and mail. Once submitted, save the PDF and note the e-file confirmation number. That proves you filed. If the system rejects your return, read the rejection code, correct the specific field it references, often a mismatched SSN or amount, and resubmit. For one key troubleshooting tip, if e-file fails repeatedly, clear browser cache or switch to a different e-file provider and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.